Hey guys, as you can see from the intro, today is gonna be a new type of video whereby I'll be remaking some of the famous squishy but with clay. So I do watch some of the squishy video and I do find them quite relaxing. So I thought it might be cool. So if I remake them but with clay. So yeah, so in today's first episode, we'll be making this Puni Maru Bear Pancake. There's three designs. I'll put a picture right somewhere here or something. And I'll be making one of the design, which is the regular face. So I hope you guys will like this type of video. So I'm not going to talk much anymore. Let's proceed to the video, shall we? So this is how it turned out, and if you compare this one to the other one that I made on my own, the honey there on the butter there, it's not that obvious actually. Probably it's because it's sort of darker color, so it covers it up. And also the nose, I kind of remake it and redraw it off the camera because I wasn't really happy about it. So yeah, this is how it turned out. I hope you guys like it. There's two versions, you can choose which one. See you guys next time. Bye bye.